Let's look at Chapter 4, Lesson 9 review. Make as many full columns as possible. Then fill in the missing number of rows, columns, and leftover tiles. So, number 1, arrange 29 tiles into columns of no more than 3 tiles. I can think about 29 and divide it by 3, and I know that 3 times 9 would equal 27. Subtract it, and I have 2 left over. I can look at this array and think about the same thing. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 full columns with 2 left over. When you think about that, you have 3 rows and you have 9 columns. There's 2 tiles left over. Let's look at number 2. Arrange 18 tiles into columns of no more than 4 tiles. I can take 18, divide it by 4, and I know 4 times 4 is 16. Subtract it, and I get 2. So I'll have 2 tiles left over. Using that information, remember, don't erase your work, you can figure out you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So a 4 by 4 is 16 with 2 left over. Geometry. Draw all lines of symmetry for the figure. If the figure has no lines of symmetry, write none. So remember, symmetry is a mirror image. I know that a rectangle has 2. I know that a triangle that seems to be isosceles has only 1. Let's check it though. It might be equilateral. Nope, you can clearly see that it's going to just be, I'm pretty sure, let me check it again. It's just going to be the one way. Yeah, for sure. It's an isosceles triangle. Isosceles only has 1 cut. Now if you look at number 5, this parallelogram, you're not able to cut it any way, because if you cut it this way, this point when you fold it over will be down here. So if you cut it in half, this point is going to be way over here, and this one's going to be right here. They're not going to match up evenly. Since when folding it, nothing matches up evenly, this has no lines of symmetry. A square, it has 4 angles where equal lines touch up. So I know that I'm going to have, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 different ways of cutting this.